Okay, now we will do question number 7. A kite in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter. Okay, and this is a square. This is the shape of kite, and the diagonal of this kite is 32 centimeter. We will make it. This is the diagonal of a square, and we know the property of diagonal or properties of square. The diagonal of square bisect each other. So we will give name A, B, C, D. Diagonal of a square bisect each other at a 90 degree. Okay, and this one is O. So that means AO equal to OC and equal to BO equal to OD. Okay, so that means if it is BD is 32 centimeter, that means BO equal to 16 centimeter, OD equal to 16 centimeter, OA equal to 16 centimeter, and OC is also equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, now okay, now yeah, okay, now triangle 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle in a base 8 centimeter and side 6 centimeter. So here it is given in the base this isosceles triangle. We will take it later. Okay, first what we have to do, we will find the area of first triangle ABD by using the formula 1 by 2 base into height, and the 1 by 2 base is 32 and height is 16. What we will get here on 256 centimeter square. So this is we have okay, we have now we will find same another triangle. This is also same identical triangle. That means we can say that ABD and BCDs are identical. So area of ABD equal to area of BCD. So this the area of BCD is also equal to 256 centimeter square. See here, 256. Area of ABD and area of BCD both are same. Okay. Now come to base. What kind of triangle here is isosceles triangle. This is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. Simple, we apply here Heron's formula, and we will get the area of this third figure. Okay, so that is our required answer. Clear? So paper need for shade 1 256 centimeter, shade 2 256, and for third is 17.92 centimeter square. This is required answer here. Okay, now come to question number 8. You can do yourself. Now come to question number 9. A field is in the shape of trapeziums whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. So we will make a trapezium. See this, and this. This is our trapezium A, B, C, D. These are the CD and ABs are the parallel side. Okay. This one is 10 centimeter we consider, or this AB is 25 centimeter. Okay, and the non-parallel sides are 14 centimeter. This 14 and this one is 13, which are non-parallel side. Find the area of the field. Okay, now we have to find the area of the field means, and the area of field means area of trapezium. Okay, so we have to do some construction here. What we do, first we will draw a parallel line CF parallel to AD. Okay, this we draw parallel to AD. If it is 13 centimeter, this is also 13 centimeter. If this total is 25 centimeter, So it's become a parallelogram. That means this 10, so this one is also 10 centimeter. Okay. We give the name of this is CF. Okay, so BF we get 15 centimeter. Okay, now we draw a perpendicular from here, this G, CG. So now you can understand this figure here, this whole figure now you can understand. Okay, 13, 14, this is total 25, this AF is 10 centimeter and BF is 15 centimeter. Okay, now we have to we know that area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2. What is the area of trapezium? See this, area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel side into distance between them. So sum of parallel side we know the parallel sides, the value of parallel sides, but we don't know the distance between the parallel side. Okay, so for what we have to do? First we will find the area of this triangle BCF and apply here the formula of area 1 by 2 base into height 1. So area of BCF, how we get area of BCF? We know this one is 13, this one is 14 and this one is 15. So easily here we have the all three side we have here ABC. So we will apply the Heron's formula and we get the area of triangle BCF, which is 84 meter square. Okay, now we get the area of BCF. So now the area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 base into height, and area of this is 84, 1 by 2 base is 15 and height we have to find. Okay, so we will get height here 11.2 meter. Now we put this value now we put this value into formula of area of trapezium 1 by 2 sum of parallel side into distance between them. Sum of parallel side means 25 plus 10. Okay, 1 by 2 25 plus 10 and multiply height we have already calculated 11.2 meter square. 11.2 meter square. Then we will simplify it and the answer is 196 meter square. Okay student, so that's all your exercise 12.2. Thank you very much.